This machine works well in most soil types and most trash types that it would be on the field. It's a really good seedbed preparation tool. It'll open up the soil in spring so that it can warm up quicker, maybe dry out the field so that you can get into the field sooner with your seeding equipment. And it leaves the field nice smooth finish so that your seeder can do a nice even job of seeding. The second job that it does is it's a trash cutting tool, cut down the wheat stubble or the corn stalks down to size so that it can decompose faster. What we're doing with the tractor and the vertical tillage this morning was we were seeing how it worked on different types of stubble. The first field we tried was on a soybean field, just making sure that the vines were cut and leveling and preparing the soil for next spring. The second field that we tried this morning was a small field of sweet corn that had been picked. We ran over in one direction first, and I would say that it chopped most of the stubble small enough that it could pass through a cultivator. On the second pass, once that had been completed, a cultivator easily could have gone through that field to work with that type of machine. Something that was particular to this field, it was a sweet corn field. It was most of the whole stalks were standing, yet as we went over it the first time, most of the stuff got chopped up, and whatever was left standing after the discs, the rolling baskets put down and crunched up, so that on the second pass they were cut up for sure. With the Mandako Twister, the horsepower requirements are approximately 10 horsepower per foot, and we offer models anywhere from 12 feet wide up to 40 feet wide. There's a number of options that come with this machine. You can go with a regular spring-tine harrow that can be added to the back. You can have rolling baskets. We make a heavy-duty 16-inch diameter rolling basket that can be added. And the third option we have is rolling harrows. At this point we're using the Phillips rolling harrow. All of these options are available with heavy-duty mounts so that for trouble-free operations, whether you use it in the spring or the fall. The construction of the machine is made with real heavy duty material. The basic frame is with 6x6 by ½ inch square tubing. We've got heavy-duty brackets and butt joints that have been that make it a heavy-duty machine. The machine weighs over 675 pounds per foot for the basic machine, so it's plenty heavy enough to cut through the tough BT corn stalks that would have to be cut up and fall. As far as the hydraulics on the machine, we have quite adequate heavy-duty hydraulics on the system. We have equalizers that will lift and lower the machine evenly, as well as move the Coulter angles evenly as well. The machines require 5 hydraulic outlets. If you don't have that, we do provide splitters or selector valves that reduces that to 4. When it comes to what makes this machine outstanding is that we have the ability to move or adjust the angle of the wavy coulters from the cab of the tractor hydraulically. We can set those wavy coulters to run at a 0-degree angle. So if you simply want to size or cut your trash and leave it on top. But if you'd like to incorporate the trash, you can move those blades up to a 7-degree angle, and that will move a lot of dirt and cover a lot of the trash in the process. Maintaining the machine, the bearings in the wavy coulters are heavy-duty bearings, tapered bearings. All the hubs are fitted with grease nipples so that they can be greased, and all the moving parts are on bushings that are greasable as well. The unit that we want to demonstrate today is a 24-foot model. It has a 12-foot main frame with 6-foot wings. We're going to be pulling it with a John Deere 8 260. John Deere. It has approximately 260 horsepower, and it has just barely enough horsepower for this machine. For operating this machine, it works very well anywhere from speeds from 5 to 12 miles an hour. It can go faster than that if your field is smooth enough, and it just provides a good even finish to the field without ridging. When you operate the machine, you can go faster when you have your Coulters straight. When you do angle them, you do still slow down a couple of miles an hour. And usually you slow down because of operator comfort.